Good morning. Today, starting off with clear skies, we've got some starry skies out there this morning, a pretty start to the day. If you look off to the east, you'll see the constellation Orion, which is typically a winter constellation. So we're starting to see it now as we are working our way slowly to that season. Still in summer, though it hasn't felt like it here in the valley. And we are in the middle of hurricane season too. And of course, we are talking about Hurricane Dorian. Right now, it's a Category 2 storm, so it did increase in intensity since yesterday. We're looking at 105-mile-per-hour winds, and it's still moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. And it's just outside of the Bahamas. It's out to the east of the Bahamas. You can see there's some cloud cover here, but the islands just below our tablet there, that's where we're looking at the storm moving. So again, this is moving to the northwest, and we're looking at max winds over 100 miles per hour now. So let's track this out. We're going to see this continue to increase in intensity. By this afternoon, we could be at a Category 3 storm. And then following the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, it intensifies to a Category 4 storm well before it reaches Florida in the Bahamas again, and will continue to move westward as we work our way into the Sunday time frame and then eventually approaching Monday. And this point right here, as it's making landfall, is 2 a.m. on Tuesday. So we're looking at late Labor Day that we'll see the center of the storm likely make landfall. Now keep in mind, these storms have far reaches beyond the center, so they'll be feeling the impacts of that this weekend. So again, this storm looking like a major intense hurricane for Florida still at this point in time. Here in the valley, of course, it's a very different story. We've got clear skies, quiet conditions, a few clouds streaming through, a little line here. And as we continue into the tri-state map, expect to see some scattered rain showers in eastern parts of Montana and into Wyoming, and continued conditions that are going to be on the sunny side for us, but we're keeping an eye out west for our next chances for some rain and some cloud cover heading into the weekend. And then the other thing we haven't even mentioned yet is how cool it is. We're at 37 degrees right now in Fosston. It's 48 in Fargo, 45 in Grand Forks, many of us in the low to mid 40s to start off this morning. So a morning chill on this Friday. And wind is light out of the west in most spots. We're looking at good visibility. And your hour-by-hour planner, lots of sunshine to start off this morning. And we'll mainly stay on the sunny side today. Temperatures on the rise back into the similar range we were in yesterday. Some upper 60s to some low 70s in the valley with lighter winds. And again, more sunshine. So basically the same as yesterday with less wind. And then as we head into tonight, we'll have more clouds start to stream in. That will actually help us out a little bit from dropping too much tomorrow morning. As we head into the morning hours tomorrow, though, you can see it's a more cloudy start to the day. We're also potentially dealing with some rain right along the South Dakota, North Dakota state line, and then north of us too into Canada. So we're kind of sandwiched in between these two areas of cloud cover and rain. There's going to be a pocket of some sun, and then Northern Valley and Southern Valley dealing with the cloud cover. And as we head through the day, you could see some of this rain creep southward into our northern tier counties here into the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow, and perhaps a couple of showers popping up during the day. Temperatures for some will rise a couple more degrees from today, but overall looking like another cool one with some upper 60s to some low 70s for your Saturday. So I skipped past our 7-day planner. We are looking at some conditions that are going to be a little unsettled heading into the holiday weekend. We'll pull that 7-day planner back up for you here. We're going to see some temperatures on the rise back into the mid 70s to some upper 70s heading into the start of next week. And the potential for some rain is there, especially late Sunday night and into early Monday. We may see some storms. So something to keep in mind if you're going to be out and about, if you're going to be camping. You can always check the Valley News Live weather app for the latest.
Yeah, and like you said, these mornings have been really chilly. Are those kind of here to stay now?
Well, you know, it depends on what you think is chilly. 50s, yeah. I mean, we're looking at a lot of 50-degree mornings. Today especially is chilly, though. We're dealing with 40s. Even that 39-degree reading in Fosston is quite cold.
Thank you, Lisa. Are you ready for football season? Coming up, we're getting a look at all the buys and gear to get you ready for tomorrow's big game against Butler. That's next.